Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Lab Edition. Today we have Samsung Galaxy S22 and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset this phone to remove the password, pattern lock and all type of pins from this phone. Okay, in order to reset the phone we need to have a computer cable. So without this cable you won't be able to reset it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect this computer cable. My phone is connected now to the computer. Okay, from here I'm going to press power button and the volume down button together. While I'm gonna keep the screen alive so you can see when the phone goes restart. I'm gonna quickly jump into power up and we're gonna wait here. Okay, we're gonna wait until we get into the recovery. There we go. Now the phone is in the recovery mode. From here we can perform wipe data and factory reset. So the power button you can selecting with the power button, and then I'm gonna wipe the cache also. Where's the cache? I'm gonna select yes, and that's it. From here we can just reboot the system, and that's it. Okay, from here we're gonna say start. You can select all of them. We have to agree all those terms and condition. Set up manually. I'm gonna skip for now. So we're not gonna set any password for this device. I'm gonna say skip anyway, and more, agree to terms and condition. Did I press that? Yes. So from here I'm gonna choose dark mode. Right, so we're gonna say next, and that's it.